so we'll be checking for adjustment here.
Ouch.
Okay. Is it bad?
No.
It's not right. Okay. So checking for adjustment the other side. Yeah. We're coming to the legs. So we're checking. Okay, so we do this. Tighten your two legs against my hand. Tighten it as I'm opening and closing.
Ouch.
Okay. Relax. Yeah. Just relax. Yeah. So where do you see you're having the pain? Here. Is it around this region? Behind this? Or is it over? Here. Okay. So coming down. Okay. Just keep your hands down. Hug yourself. Check for this side. So it comes to this side. Exactly. Okay, relax. Relax. Is it painful?
No. my body is vibrating.
Against my hand. Okay. Nearby is very. This side. Send it back a little. Okay. Nice. How do you feel?
Much better.
You feel good? So the pain is going down or it's a
I can't feel